Alright, so we're gonna go over how to use the Ozbot here real quick. And first, you want to do find your Ozbot. It's the OSC bot. You got different versions of it. You have the saw, you have the vintage, you have the detuned, the square, and then the rectangle. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and leave it on the regular saw. Now we got that selected. Next up, now every time you see these left and right arrow, you have space to go, and there's more options within that actual parameter. So I'm gonna go right. It's gonna take me here to this next one. You have your notes, the mod sense, and the balance. Now this one you want to go ahead and kick on. All right, you want to kick that switch on. That has to be on in order for the Ozbot to engage. The rest of these you can go ahead and just leave off. Then next up here is going to be your note length, and then how many notes are going to be in the actual sequencing. So I'm going to turn mine down to 4 because that's basically what a bar is 4 notes. I'm going to leave it on a quarter note, just real basic. Now here you start to map out your notes. You have 1, 2, I go to the side, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So you can do up to 16 actual notes on here. So you can get pretty complex if you really want to. Now I'm going to go ahead and just, pick some random ones, and we're going to see what it sounds like. So I'm going to put a D1 there, an A1, a E1. Let me go to A1 here, and let me go to G1 here. So again, that's only 4 slots that I've done, and let's see what it sounds like here. And again, all you have to do is into the microphone say ah, or you can shape the sound however you want it, depending. So yeah, that's pretty much it. The only other thing I would say is that if you want to enhance the actual sound, is you have the sensitivity here. All right, y'all take care. Hope that helped. Leave some comments in there. Let me know if you have any questions. Drink water. Be someone's frequency. I'm out. 1.